by HICC Pet. We have an oral care spray. One of my dogs will allow me to brush its teeth. The other one will not. It is not possible. And that's where something like this comes in and is wonderful. This is an oral spray designed to help with bad breath and tartar and plaque buildup that doesn't require brushing. If you can get your dog to sit there and you can maybe pull up their lip a little bit and do a couple quick mists without them freaking out, this is a great option for you. It's got 2 ingredients, deionized water and HCA, and this 2 or 3 little sprays into their gums is all they need to bring a little bit of relief, especially in the bad breath area, but also to help with that plaque and tartar buildup. So if you're looking for a way to bring a little bit of oral care to your dog, or also to get rid of that dog breath, check this out. I think you're gonna love it. Again, it's by HICC Pet.